Cedric Marks has rested his case this afternoon, bringing forth witnesses on behalf of his defense. Two witnesses he called in day 25 of his capital murder trial are his sons Logan and Adrian Marks. Fox 44's Earl Stoudemire joins us live outside the Bell County Justice Center with the latest. Earl.
MG, it was very interesting to watch Cedric Marks directly examine his sons Logan and Adrian to see what they would say in his trial for capital murder. Logan was first to testify, describing how he saw Jenna Scott hit and threaten Cedric Marks, with Marks not doing the same to Scott. Logan said he doesn't remember much leading up to Marks' trip to Texas, besides him going with Maxwell to see his lawyer. Logan testified he doesn't remember when Marks and Maxwell came back to Michigan or communicating with Marks in this period. In cross-examination, Logan told Garza he doesn't remember telling authorities in Marks' burglary charge from August 2018 how Marks himself broke into Jenna's home to request she drop her charges. Garza gave Logan and Adrian these statements to refresh their memories over break. Logan said he recognizes some information from the statement, but doesn't remember the entire document. In the end, Logan testified remembering Marks threatening to cut off Michael's head off, telling Garza Marks only made this threat once. Marks' other son Adrian spoke next on the witness stand. Adrian testified he doesn't remember Marks threatening Michael over the phone. Adrian mentioned similar experiences to Logan about Scott threatening Marks and his family in hitting him. Outside presence of the jury in cross-examination, Adrian said he has few memories of his birth mother, April Peace, and was 10 years old when Marks told him April was missing. Back in front of the jury, Adrian said he does remember at some point Jenna Scott saying Marks hurt her. Adrian said Marks grabbed Jenna's arm to scare her. Adrian was unable to confirm if he saw this himself or if he heard Marks talk about it. Tomorrow, the prosecution will bring forth witnesses to rebut any statements made during the defense. And Bell County Assistant District Attorney Stephanie Newell said their office is bringing forth another pending charge against Marks. Live in Belton, Earl Stoudemire, Fox 44 News.